Let's see how to add testimonial slider to Hostinger website builder. Log into your Hostinger H panel. Now click on websites from the left menu. Now edit your Hostinger website. There is no tool available to create a testimonial slider on Hostinger website builder. So we will use the third-party tool. So for this we will use Elfsight. It is very easy to create a widget on Elfsight and embed it to your website. At first we need to create an account, and for the account you can easily sign up with the help of your Google account. After that, just hover over widgets and here you will see the testimonial slider. Now click on create widget for free, and now we need to select the layout template. I will go with the first one, but you can select any one that you want. After that, click on continue with this template. And now from here you can easily edit these testimonials. Let's say you want to edit this first testimonial. Just click on it. Now from here you can change the text. From here you can change the star rating, and from here you can change the image. After that you can also change the layout, testimonial, and also you can change the style from here. And also you can do the settings for your widget from here. You can easily customize this widget according to your own choice. And once you are done, just click on add to website for free. Now click on publish from the top, select the free plan, and here you will see the code. Just copy this code from here, go back to Hostinger website builder. Now we will add a new section here. So I will click on add section. So I will select add blank section from here. Now I will click on add elements and then drag embed code to our website. Now I will click on enter code and paste my code here. After that, I am going to click on embed code, and now we can change the setting of this widget. And once we are done, we are going to click on update website. Now click on view website. And now if I scroll down, here we will see our testimonial slider. So click on it and it will move. So this is how you can add testimonial slider in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.